Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here at Sweet Christine's Gluten-Free Bakery in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you techniques to make oven fried rice. If you like fried rice from any Chinese place, it's kind of similar. It's a lot easier because you're going to bake it, and if you're gluten-free, I'm going to show you a few tricks so you can enjoy it too. So let's get started. In this bowl, I have some white rice. I use jasmine rice, but you can use any white rice that you'd like. I have some chopped onion, just some peas and carrots. You can get the frozen kind or do it yourself. Some green onions, some salt, some olive oil, and most important, your gluten-free soy sauce. If you're not gluten-free, don't worry about it, but if you are, make sure you're using gluten-free soy sauce. So let's get started. In this bowl, I'm just going to put my 1/8 of a cup of onions, tablespoon of green onions, my peas and carrots. If you want to add more veggies, that's fine, go for it. You can do baby corn, you can do broccoli. I'm just keeping it nice and basic so you can get the idea. A little bit of salt. I'm going to use about 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. And then the most important ingredient, it's going to be your gluten-free soy sauce. About 1 tablespoon of that. It's really salty, so be careful that you don't add too much. Now all you're going to do is stir it together. If you want to add meat, you can use ham or chicken or whatever you have left over. This is a great recipe for like a leftover midweek meal. Really inexpensive, really easy to do. You're just stirring everything together. Make sure you're breaking up all your rice. Stir it all together, and that's it. Okay, now, right here I have an oiled casserole dish. Just going to put it in. Just like that. Now, I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 10-15 minutes. It's going to get nice and golden brown. Watch it, make sure it doesn't burn, and then you've got some oven fried rice. Since the rice is already cooked, it doesn't take that long. You're just kind of heating all the vegetables through. Now, believe it or not, another technique for doing this, follow the exact same recipe, but instead of pre-cooking your rice, put the water and the rice in the casserole just at the same time and let it cook for about 45 minutes. The rice will actually cook in the oven, plump up with all the vegetables, and do the exact same thing. This is just a much easier, quicker way, and I think it comes out a lot better. So I'm going to stick this in the oven. And then with the power of television, I was able to make one ahead of time so I can show you. Just like that. So you put your fried rice in a bowl. I'm serving it with chopsticks just so it looks kind of fun and fancy. And then if you want to garnish with some cilantro or parsley or anything, go for it. And that's some techniques to make oven fried rice. Again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie here at Sweet Christine's Bakery in Kennett Square. Enjoy!